everyone! So, yan! Ngayon ay isang very special episode ng Upload. At ano pa nga ba ang meron kapag ka Valentine's season bukod sa hearts, chocolates, roses? Siyempre, yung magbibigay doon, yung kadate namin, di ba? Nga naman sarili namin, masyado kaming desperado. Wala, anyways. Ayan, so, may kadate ako! At sino ba yung kadate ko? Siyempre, naaalala niyo yung contest namin, di ba? Sa upload.com.ph. At kung hindi nyo pa rin maalala kung ano man yun, or di kayo makarelate, just visit upload.com.ph sa FB para malaman nyo. Ayan, excited na ako! At ako'y ready na. Gising na ako kagabi pa, mga 2 a.m. in the morning. Anyways, yun. So, andyan na ata yung date ko at kailangan ko na siya i-entertain. Anyways, bye-bye!
Hi, I am Tomas Cruz. I am date of Princess Legazpi. Hindi ko akalain na ako yung pipiliin ng princess. Kasi nung nakita ko yung ibang sagot, yung mas maganda pang sagot. Tapos yun, makakausap ko na rin siya ng person. No.
I love the stairs. I so love the stairs.
Princess, teka muna.
Bakit? Ha?
Napapagod ako eh.
Hindi pwede. You have to keep up. Kailangan. Strong ka.
Napapagod ako.
Ha?
Kanina pa tayo naglalakad.
Started with your hips, so I moved up to your lips to take a chance, ask for a dance, cause you're the cutest thing on this side of the world we call our homes. Yet I feel so all alone half of the time. We gotta live with what we got and I got nothing, so I pray you take my hand so we can conjure up a something right. And you could move on with your whole life, just like you do, just like you should be to do too. But you could make everything alright, and I want you to, because ever since the first time all I thought about was loving on you.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Hello. How's your day?
It was fun and exciting.
My date was amazing. Sobrang saya niya, sobrang new for me, and ayun, nag-enjoy ako. Hi, Thomas! Anong na-feel mo nung first time mong nakita si Princess Legazpi?
Masaya syempre.
When I first met my date, sabi ko, wow, naka-polo shirt.
21.
21. Super ready niya. Tapos, nakatingin siya, sabi, hi.
Maganda siya. Tapos, yung pala, ano lang siya, simple, mabait. Yun, enjoy kasama.
Nung nakita ko siya, medyo kinabahan din ako. Tapos sabi ko, nako, paano kaya i-approach si Thomas? Kamusta nung nagpunta kayo sa Birds of Prey? Nakahawak ka ng agit. Why are you happy?
First time. First time.
First time mo makahawak ng ibon?
Oo.
Yung bird, alam mo ba? Nakakatawa sa tulay. May nakita ko isang ibon.
Pwede ba kitang hawakan?
Baka mamaya
Yeah,
di parang
tupay.
niya ako. You are one weird birdie.
Medyo kabado kasi parang nanuluka ata yung
Laki niya,
ibon.
no?
Oo.
Ay, na-enjoy mo naman.
Na-enjoy ko naman.
Ay, sabi ko, oh, you're such a pretty bird. Tapos, hindi siya gumagalaw. Nakatingin lang siya sa akin gano'n. Sobrang dead na siya. Ba't hindi ka gumagalaw? Ba't hindi ka takot sa tao? Tapos, pag lalapit ako, parang titignan niya ako from head to toe. I really love that bird. You know why? Because it gives me challenge. High five!
Ayaw.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Punta naman tayo sa oceanarium. So, oceanarium, a lot of fishes, of course. There's a lot of...
Masaya kasi mga iba-ibang uri ng isda yung nakikita ko doon. Tsaka first time ko lang makapunta doon sa Manila Ocean.
There are a lot of varieties. Madaming kinds ng fishes na hindi nyo pa nakikita. I really love the tiger something. So, parang kasing sobrang sophisticated ng itsura niya. And nakita rin ako ng baby sharks, ng super laking parang koi fish ba yun? Arana o something. Tapos meron din sila parang tunnel na aquarium. So, it's really nice. Those stingrays as well. Kasi, di ba parang pag nakita mo yung stingray na gumagano sa'yo, or nakasmile sila. So, it reminds you to be happy in your life and to erase all the negativity. That's all.
Bakit daw iniwan ni Princess? Buti pa ang isda malaya.
Ano pinagagagawa mo dyan? Sige, baba ka pa. Baba ka pa. Sige pa, baba. Ano ulit yung pick-up line mo na?
Yung... Princess, nalulungkot ka ba?
Ay, bakit?
Kasi nag-iisa ka sa puso ko.
Talaga?
Wow!
Oh.
Okay lang ako mag-isa. Thank you. Sa Yaxel Museum, kamusta doon? I love that museum because it's very picturesque.
Mga Marvel heroes, mga minions, mga nakita ko doon. Masaya.
Parang lahat ng shot mo, Instagram worthy, Facebook worthy, so very picturesque. Gusto ko si Superman. Alam mo ba na napaniginipan ko na inilipad ako ni Superman? Gusto ko yun dun sa parang nakabaliktad na room. 360 degrees! And also posing with the minions and stuff. So I won't spoil everything. You guys have to go there to see it. Ano sa experience ng virtual?
Masaya kasi yung mga ibon, may talento talaga eh. Hindi mo akalaing magagawa nila yun.
Find the hidden object for us. Where could that be? And he did it, so round of applause.
Sabi ng director namin, Pringles, we need to get a shot. Magpapansin ka. So sabi ko, I did everything, okay, para mapansin ako. So sabi ko, woohoo! Covered! Lovely! Beautiful hair!
So for the last ball for the win.
Gumaganda ako para matawag ako. Well, it worked. Natawag ako.
Princess.
Miss Princess, you need to bring a 500 peso bill.
Alright, so
with
ma'am,
you.
you can have your 500 peso.
So, parang it turns out, pag dun sa mapapanood nyo or napanood nyo, kinuha siya, tapos nilagay siya sa donation box.
And he gets the money. And he flies again. And he gets buddy. We'll donate the money. So round of applause.
Tinanong ako, sabi sa akin, Princess, are you okay? You lost your money? It's all good! Because it's not my money.
And we are very, very grateful.
I've had my advanced Valentine Valentine's kiss from Easy or Icy.
That's enough, Isis. And she's so happy about it, see?
What is Sea Lion in Ocean Park.
Yay!
I need an adult! So, tinawag ako, and ayun, kinis ako, and
Since we do this,
na siya, and it's really fun.
Started with your hips.
So overall, paano mo summarize ang date mo with Chris? It's really fun kasi si Thomas, mahiyain siya. Pero pag sinabihan mo siya na uganting gagawin mo, kailangan magpatawa ka. Alam mo yung innocent nakakatawa, yung parang tapos pag gumana, malupet.
Masaya, enjoyable, sweet.
I'd love to have him as my friend. Happy Valentine's! I hope that nagsaya naman siya, nag-enjoy siya. O, balita ako, meron kang certain gifts kay Princess.
Oo.
He gave me this.
Tsaka may ginawa rin akong poem.
I love poetry, I love making poems, so I'd like to, read it. When something that makes me happy occurs,
I want nothing more.
then for a camera to catch the memory,
When out of spite,
I throw something precious
I want nothing more than for a
for it to catch it.
When I trip and fall,
For anyone, I need nothing more
Than
than
for
for you.
to catch me.
Knock down, let you go. Back on my feet, so you know. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's get sunny, I'm ready to rumble.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Happy Valentine's Day! Ang kulay ng aking pantalan ay kulay pula dahil ito ay araw ng mga puso. Very good. At yan, special na araw ko ngayon. Bakit? Dahil magkakaroon ako ng kadate. Alahin niyo yan, guys. Magkakaroon ako ng kadate. So, guys, excited na ako makita ko kadate ko at my love.
Knock down, let you go. Back on my feet, so you know. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's get sunny, I'm ready to rumble. I had a dream, so being loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands up to the sky. We danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. Knock down, let you go. Back on my feet, so you know. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's get sunny, I'm ready to rumble.
Hello po, ako nga pala si Philip Wang, 15 years old po ako, taga Quezon City. Nag-aaral po ako sa Dr. Carlos S. Lanting College. Honestly, medyo kinakabahan po. Excited na rin po makita si Ate Ann. Tsaka excited na rin po kasi feeling ko mag-enjoy po ako dito sa adventure na gagawin namin.
Why do you fill me up? Try to kill me, but just to let me down. You mess me around and then we're still on. You never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I had from the start. So fill me up.
Kamusta yung feeling noong nalaman mo magkakaroon tayo ng date?
Sa totoo lang, kinabahan ako kasi sana makaklose ko yung mananalo, ganun. Sana yung mananalo hindi masungit, ganun. Noon, na-feel ko na si Philip yung nanalo. kilala ko na kasi si Philip eh. Si Philip kasi lagi ko na siya nakasama sa mga events. So, super happy ko nung nalaman ko na siya pala yung nanalo. Ay, actually, pinanalo na. But hindi siya pinayagan ng mami niya.
Ano yung na-feel mo nung nalaman mo na ikaw ang napili?
Siyempre nagulat ako kasi nga, di ba? Yung una kasi, babae ang napili, iba, hindi ako. Tapos nung nalaman na di pinayagan yung hindi sayang naman yung sa nauna napili. Pero in-enjoy ko na lang bilang kapalit niya.
Kamusta overall ang date mo with Ate Ann?
Can you feel it?
Talagang enjoy na enjoy.
Back, we can steal it. If we
Masaya. Para kami baliw.
see you through the curtains of the waterfall. When I'm
Masaya talaga siya kasama.
yeah, you held my hand, but I tossed it.
Basta ibang-iba.
Understand you were waiting as I dove into the waterfall.
Mahal kita!
So say you're running home, say you're running home.
Kamusta date mo?
Super saya!
Masaya yung mga ginawa naming adventures.
Sobrang sulit itong araw na to. Grabe.
Talagang kakaibang experience ito.
So, kamusta yung pagpunta dito sa Caliraya?
So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Caliraya Resort.
Pagpunta dito sa Caliraya, nagandahan kagad ako sa scene.
At kasama ko ng kadit ko. Siya si Philip. Ayan, na-try namin na yung mga iba't ibang mga activities dito. Di ba?
Napakaganda ng lugar. Ang ganda ng
Any more obvious?
Iiwa pa siya, pero mamaya feeling ko kukulit na siya. Di ba? Di ba?
Ano ba yan, Philip? Tahimik ka na
She
naman.
never tell the secret that she wanted in as well.
Nag-slide kami ng may rope.
Stuck up their nose, they had a problem.
Wala kasi ganito sa playground namin eh.
Skater boy, she said see you later boy.
Philip, bilisan mo bago ako mapiko na.
She had a pretty face, but her was all
The best. The best dito.
back down to earth. 5 years from now.
Thank you. Tulungan na ni Kuya eh. Love ko na si Kuya. Interview niya si Kuya din.
Nag-interview kami ng mga tao.
Hi everyone!
Hello.
Nandito na naman kami para mangulit. Siyempre di mawawala itong pag-a-ambush natin sa kung sino-sino ng mga tao. Mangulit na naman tayo. Magtatanong-tanong naman tayo ng mga kung ano-anong katanungan, di ba?
Tama. Spoiler rin yung mga na-ambush namin. Ayun.
Kuya, dahil nabiktima ka ng wow mali. Joke lang.
Tapos lap trip pa yung iba. Nakikita ko mga reaction ng mga na-ambush talagang mag-enjoy ka.
Ba't ka nandito? Bebe ko! Ba't ka nandito, bebe ko?
Wala na, sa akin na talaga yung malakas mang trip talaga eh.
Yung bebe ko, iniwan ako ng bebe ko. Kuya, ba't mo ako tinulungan? Dahil ba maganda ako? May asawa ka ba? Iiwan ko na kasi siya. Ikaw na lang yung papalit ko. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't ka nakatayo?
Okay na naman.
Anong ginagawa mo doon?
Nagbubuhat ng mga labaan.
Hindi naman ako maluho eh. Gusto ko lang ng ng mga alahas, ng mga bag, shades. Okay lang. Hindi niya kasi ako binibigyan ng mga ganun. Anak ko po yan. Joke lang! Naniniwala ka!
Walang mapaliwalain ako.
Minsan ba, nakakaiyak yung mga nadadatnan mo, ganun? Tipong, may mga mancha-mancha yung mga beddings.
Nakakabigla lang pagka may
Ikaw nga yun. Baka magkapalit naman kayo.
Hindi Iyo! Like, wow!
Maswerte ka ka.
Huwag ka na mabanat ha!
Later on, nagiging madaldal na. Ay, binabara na ako.
Amoy paan.
hindi na iwasan yun.
So, amoy paan.
Yung iba naman hindi. Talagang
Amoy kilikili.
To meet you.
Nice to meet you. Paano pa pangalan nila po?
Rudy Aguinaldo,
Si Rudy Aguinaldo. Pamasko ko
grandson
po.
of Emilio Aguinaldo.
Okay. Wow! Amoy...
Yesterday.
Amoy yesterday. Yes? Yesterday?
Gawa ganun na siya. Ay, grabe. So, Natutuwa ako sa akin.
Para saan ba yan?
Wala lang.
Para
sa akin
sa'yo.
lang.
Trip lang.
Sa atin dalawa. Para lang po sa atin dalawa. Para pag kinasal na tayo, alam mo yung mga dongyan, mga ganun. May mga moments tayo.
Pwede ba bumati? Nabati ko nga pala yung mga nagbabati dyan sila Emerson tapos Kevin.
I love it!
Excited.
Claire nag-paddle para sa amin.
Boy, she was a girl. Can I make it any?
Ito lang kuya. Kasi po
Takot ako sa mga bangka kasi
More can I say? He wanted her. She never tell the secret.
ano siya, enjoy siya sana kung hindi mainit.
All the friends stuck up their nose. They had a problem with his bag of clothes.
Lalo pa kung kayong dalawa lang ng loves mo.
Not for her. She had a pretty face, but hair was all in space. She needed to come back down to earth.
Pero kanina, I feel so safe kasi kasama ko si Dito. Kasama ko si Kuya, tsaka may life vest. Tapos bago lang daw yung life vest nila.
On TV, guess what she sees? A skater boy rocking up.
nag-enjoy naman kami ni Philip kasi lagi niya ako inaasar eh.
I never got tickets to see the show.
Favorite thing to you with
Ayun, refreshing pagkatas mo ligo.
Yes, everyone! Ito na ang pinaka-inihintay namin dalawa ni Philip, ang wave pool! Di ba? Excited ka ba? Totoo. Excited ka talaga?
Oo naman.
Saan na? Try na natin game na to.
Tara.
Tara na! Game na tayo.
She wanted in as well, and all the friends stuck up their nose.
Talagang maganda talaga yung mag-enjoy ka. Hindi yung ibang pool na wala lang, dyan ka lang.
Not for her. She had a pretty face, but hair was all in space. She needed
Kasi kapag ka-boring yung swimming pool, yung tipong swimming pool lang siya. Hindi ako masyado nag-enjoy. Pero kapag ka merong waves, ganyan, na-enjoy ko siya.
baby, she's all alone.
Sige na, babay na magsiswimming pa kami. Bye-bye! Kita-kits ulit next week!
Nako guys, if ever man na naghahanap kayo ng mga team building na yan, nako, dito lang tayo sa may Kaliray Resorts. At kayang-kaya nila humandle ng 1,500 persons sa bago nilang team building. Naku, ano kaya to? Kontakin nyo lang sila dito. Yeah, may magpa-flash dito sa screen natin.
Ayun, yung message ko kay Ate Ann, Happy Valentine's,
Mag-aaral ka mabuti at saka
Agad mag-iisip pa ako.
lagi ka makikinig kay Ate Ann mo.
Lagi niya tatanda na dito lagi kaming mga Anbis para sa kanya.
Malusog ka naman, kaya okay lang minsan magpagutom-gutom.
Sana hindi siya magbago kasi sana ganun pa rin siya yung tulad ng dati na kahit naman ngayon na masaya kasama, makulit.
At love na love din kita. Yes! Happy Valentine's po sa inyo lahat! I love you so much!
Locked down, back to go. Back on my feet, so you know. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's dance, I am ready to rumble.
Hello! Happy Valentine's! Are you in love? Are you happy? Are you cheesy? Are you sad? Oh, it's okay! It is the time of love, and here on Upload we have a very special episode. It is our Valentine's episode. Today is going to be really awesome because I'm actually gonna have a date. It's time to meet my date. I'm so excited, and now I will go meet him.
Locked down, back to go. Back on my feet, so you know. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's dance, I am ready to rumble. I had a dream, so being loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Hey, I'm Derek Junido. I'm Bea's date. I'm 21 years old, graduating student from University of the East. I love playing basketball and editing pictures and videos.
Everything can be good till you then down. We can find it together to start life. Everything can be good till you take top. We can find it together to do bars.
Ay, sorry na pala sa akin.
We are laughing under bright moonlight.
Kasi Ariel. Hello.
We are laughing under bright moonlight.
How was your day? Bakit masaya?
That was a really fun day.
Ano naman yung na-feel mo nung first time mong nakita si Bae?
How are you?
Kinabahan na masaya, medyo kinikilig ka siya. Like a really.
It was click naman kami, so no worries.
Ang balita ko, may binigay ka din kay Bea.
Binigyan ko siya ng t-shirt. Tapos kami.
Gave me the shirt, and it's exactly the same as his. So cute, this couple shirt, matching. Oh, sweet.
You got me high.
Oh, I like this.
Next, punta na tayo Ocean Park, okay lang?
Hello! You're here again with me, Bea Benedicto, and today we're gonna try something new! But since it is the Valentine's episode, I am here with Mr. Derek Dionido, and we're gonna aquanaut. But it's not so exciting, so exciting. Ready ka ba, Derek?
Ready na.
Okay, pasok na tayo. 1, 2,
We are laughing under bright.
So, pag okay na tayo, sign tayo sa divers.
medyo natatawad na ako konti.
We are laughing.
Pababa po tayong danda.
Tandaan.
It was really fun kasi you go underwater and it's fun to see. So the pressure was intense, it was kind of scary, and I thought I was gonna die at some point, but it was actually really cool.
Don't be failed to the weekend, make it better. It will be lovely new life. Don't be failed to the weekend, make it better. It will be lovely new life. Everything can be good till you then done. We can find it together to start life. Everything can be good till you take the top. We can find it together to do bars. We are dancing under bright moonlight.
That was a lot of fun and so much heavier than I thought, but so much fun. Tara!
Right above the aquanaut, you can ride on the glass bottom boat.
So now we're gonna try the glass bottom boat where you take a nice romantic stroll with a view below you.
Salt water din po ito. Yung suknan para malaman na kung salt water. Tama po ba? Then yung mga coral reef na nakikita niyo dyan, lahat po yan, artificial lang po.
Hello!
This big friend of mine. I'm living my life in your hands.
One of Ursula's minions.
I am blind, risking it all.
Sarap ng fish, parang sweet and sour.
And how you got
Let's start. More bed nito. Kawawa yung mga fish.
out of my head.
Let's eat the fish.
It's written in history.
Basically a boat with a window, and you can see the fishes and the people.
Oh, ano pick up line mo?
Isda ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ako yung tubig. Di mo kaya nang wala ako.
Say what I wanna say, ain't nothing to it. Gangsta rap made me do it.
So, kamusta naman?
Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Ang dami makikita dito. Now that we're done with our classroom ride, we're gonna go head on over to the fish box.
As long as you ever make
I love the fish box.
you said enjoy.
Dito na tayo sa fish box! Alam mo ba kung ano ang fish box?
Yung may mga kumakagat-gat sa paa eh.
Tama! Kakainin nila lahat ng mga charba sa feet mo.
Gusto nila yung paa natin.
Hanggang wala ka ng paa.
One day, I hope I can have my own fish box.
Ready ka na?
Game na?
Kaya sa'yo yun! Medyo wild. Aggressive fish. They are tiny piranha. When you pass the initial shock, it's nice.
Yeah. Take a nibble like that. Yeah.
They're all like, look, 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 look. I want more kalyo. I want more kalyo. It's nice. It's nice. So, feeling ko ang ganda na ng paa ko. Ganda na. Cute.
Bus na.
Tapos na. Wala na siya.
Gusto yung libag.
Okay, so we're just gonna dry up. And we're off to our next attraction, which is super cute. We're going to the penguins.
Everything can be good till you then down.
We're here to learn all about penguins.
To start life.
Oh my gosh, you guys! We're gonna feed the penguins!
Gonna feed the penguins.
I didn't even know we would feed penguins today. It was so cute.
Kasi kasi, first time na makakita ng penguin.
I'm super excited. I didn't even know we were going to feed the penguins. So you gotta watch your head and walk with the penguins. You actually get to go up into their habitat.
We want more. We want more.
Everything can be good till you take the top. We can find it together.
Sobrang cute! Sobrang cute! I wanted that!
Ito mga penguins.
This day was an awesome adventure at Ocean Park.
Maraming salamat kasi ako yung thank you for this day.
Derek, ang cute-cute mo talaga. You're so sweet. Stay nice and sweet. Stop making me bola.
Sobrang saya nung experience makasama ka.
I hope for all the best. Cause you're a nice guy.
Ang kulit-kulit mo talaga, tsaka sobrang happy ka sa amin.
So kiss me.
Happy Valentine's! Woo! Welcome sa isa pang episode ng Upload. At dahil Valentine's ngayon, meron kami sinamang mga date. Meron sasamang date sa adventure ko ngayon dahil nagpa-win a date contest kami. At ngayon, Mamimit ko ng date ko, kaya excited na ako. Bye guys!
I had a dream, so being loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands up to the sky. We danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. Knocked down, let you go. Back on my feet, saying no. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's get sunny, I'm ready to rumble.
Hi, I'm Clarice. I'm from Marikina. I'm 21 years old. I feel so lucky to be dated with Anton. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung mararamdaman ko ngayon. It's my first time to meet him and the rest of the girls. Ibang adventure to. Alam ko masaya dito. It's more fun in upload.
Why do you fill me up? But it could be just to let me down. You mess me around and it works too hard. You never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I had from the start. So fill me up, but it can't, don't break my heart.
Rooftop tonight, we are the skyline, collecting shooting stars, wishes in a jar. All the hearts wide awake and lonely, dream of where we are. Run so fast, the wind can't catch us. It's at our backs. The sun is falling, things don't last. When you're younger, all you get is just one chance to break away, to beat the odds. All along it's been a race against the clock. Time won't wait, we're gonna leave somewhere we'll find infinity.
Hi, Clarice!
Hello po. Hi, Anton!
Hi!
Nung una mong nakita si Anton, kamusta?
Pogi siya sa personal. Ang bait-bait niya, wala kang masabi. Ang gentleman, tapos
Wala, nung una nahiya ako kasi parang, uy, hindi ko siya kilala. So hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. O kaya kung paano kami mag-connect.
hindi mo siya makikitaan ng yabang. Napaka-humble niya.
Pero nung, nung nakilala ko siya, okay naman. Ang saya ng mga ginawa namin dito sa Kaliraya.
Hi, magpunta tayo sa Kaliraya.
Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito kalaki to. Ang sarap ng experience dito, tsaka sobrang saya.
Natuwa naman ako. Kasi umigot kami dito sa Kaliraya. Hi everyone! What's up? Ako si Anton. Kasama ko na ngayon date ko. Si Clarice. Hi Clarice. Andito kami ngayon sa Kaliraya. Okay, excited ka na ba? Ano po ginagawa natin dito?
Ano yung first activity niyo?
Nag-sky bicycle kami. Okay, nandito na kami sa first adventure ng date namin ni Clarice. So, ba't nga ba tayo nakaganto, Clarice?
Magbabay tayo doon!
Nakita niyo ang taling yan? Hindi namin lalakarin yan, magbabike kami dyan. Ano?
Kaya yun.
Kayang-kaya namin yan. Tara? Tara na. Taas, nakakalula yun. Nakatali naman kami ni Clarice. Pero sobrang safe siya kasi ang kapal ng harness. Kuya, hindi ba ka mahulog sa bike na to?
Hindi.
Nakakapit siya dito.
Tapos yung gulong, nakapasok yung gulong dun sa tali. So, hindi ka talaga mahuhulog.
Tend to always overthink, but tonight it's as simple as just
Nung una, hindi naman ako kinakabahan, pero nung natapos, agad ako kinabahan.
you keep running, but there's nowhere to hide. Scared to carry yours, then you lose. Trying hard how you feel, but I feel.
Tapos nagbabike lang kami hanggang papunta dun sa kabilang tower. Pero yung thrill dun, hindi lang siya mataas, mahangin pa. So, gumaganon ka habang ang taas mo, feeling mo mahuhulog ka. Ayun, feeling ko yung chan ko nandito na eh.
Now you just can't get over me.
Ang taas niya, tapos syempre, natatakot ka, baka mahulog ka, baka ganyan. Pero, thank God, successful naman. At sobrang masaya naman, pero sobrang, nung huli na talaga ako kinabahan. Sobrang.
Kung bored guys sa bahay, punta kayo dito sa Kaliraya. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Saan tayo pupunta next?
Syempre, sa tubig
Sa tubig naman tayo. Windsurfing naman kami next. Okay guys? Tara! Okay, nandito naman kami sa sunod na trip namin ni Clarice. Windsurfing. Sa windsurfing, tinuruan muna kami ni Kuya Nestor. Thank you Kuya Nestor sa iyong tutorials. Ayun, ang bigat ng kite pala nun. Yung windsurfing, yung kite niya ang bigat.
I still remember.
Clarice, kaya mo to no? Marunong ka ba lumangoy? Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Thought you had me, but I've never been so free.
Tapos yun, tinuturuan muna kami ni Kuya Nestor dito. Naka-under kami. Tapos si Clarice tinamaan sa ilong. So meron siyang pula dito.
May sugat siya.
Ayun, pero nakatayo siya. Ang galing niya mag-windsurfing ah. Sabay nga kami naka-under eh.
Kailangan mo na mag-balance sa tubig, kasi yung hangin, ang bigat-bigat pa nung hinahawakan. Pero masaya naman kasi kahit pa paano na-experience namin yung
I never heard of. I know you tend to always overthink, but tonight it's as simple as just kissing me. Now you're scared, but you don't know.
Nung sa gitna na ako, nawala ng hangin. So, nag-swimming ako pabalik. Si Kuya Nestor dumating nakabangka. Nagpalit kami, akin yung bangka, kay Kuya Nestor yung windsurf.
But I feel it too. Yeah.
After nun, nag-swimming na lang kami sa lake. Ang lamig ng tubig.
Something you want, something you need. Oh, we got lost in the summer heat.
Nakakapagod, pero masaya ng araw na to.
Get over me. Take all of it.
Si Clarice, okay siya kasama kasi sama lang siya nasama sa akin. Tsaka hindi siya, syempre wala siyang choice. Tsaka hindi siya natatakot, ang tapang niya. Hindi, ang taas ng yung sky bicycling namin, taas nalulula ako. Wala, dire-diretso lang kami. Tapos nag-windsurfing kami, naka-windsurfing din siya, nakatayo siya. Tinamaan pa siya sa ilong, wala. Astig siya kasama.
sobrang gusto ko siya, lalo na yung talent niya sa pagkanta, sa lahat-lahat. Sobrang caring, tapos ang bait-bait. Kaya every girl's dream siya.
Clarice, thank you na sumama ka sa amin. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa shoot at sa mga trip namin, sa mga trip natin ngayong araw dahil nag-enjoy ako, tsaka napagod ako.
Happy Valentine's Day sa inyo!
Happy Valentine's!
Just can't get over me. Knocked down, back to go. Back on my feet, singing well. Watch out, you're looking for trouble. Let's get funny, I'm ready to rumble.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat, diba?
Nag-enjoy kayo.
For sure! So if you guys have any other comments or suggestions, things you want us to try, feel free to visit our Facebook pages and comment. And sa mga replay ng mga past episodes namin, check nyo na lang dun sa link down below.
Please like our Facebook pages kasi sa akin 320 pa lang.
Kaya sa ganda